uNkulunkulu ngiphe amandla. I know ukuthi ngiyaphimba kodwa I'm just happy to bump into you, Sjava. My name is Mararo. I come from Culture Conveyor. What we do is we portray the culture of entertainment. It's nice to meet you. I feel starstruck. How are you doing? And how does it feel for you to be in such an occasion?
Now I'm good. I'm at a very nice place right now. I'm blessed. Pop Bottles 2019. I'm alive. You know, it's a blessing, man. And shout out to Pop Bottles for real. Sabonga Kulu. You know, it really takes a lot to stay consistent to the culture. These guys have been doing it. They're still doing it, you know, so I'm just happy to be part of it. It's a beautiful event. We're all having a great time.
Nice. I feel a little bit nervous now because I'm talking to a big person like you, but however, I'm trying to hide it, as you can see. I'm trying to hide it. I'm sure this is something that makes you feel glad or happy as an artist. So, do you see this as something that should happen all across the country, or should it remain a Durban thing?
You're
seeing the Durban July weekend is a very great weekend. Do you see it as a thing that should happen across South Africa, or should it remain a Durban thing?
It should remain. It takes a lot of money. But for
that's fantastic. Well, can you just hit me with one verse, please? This is just a special moment for me. No, my brother, nice to meet you, man. I feel so honored. Thank you, bro. Are you gonna perform tonight?
No, I'm not performing tonight.
That's nice.